Good morning, everyone, from Ascension Ranch. It's Tuesday, January 26th. Well, more snow. We got another 6 inches overnight. I think that puts us at like 13 inches since Sunday. Solar panels are covered, so we're not getting any generation there. I had the truck completely cleared off yesterday. It's got 6 inches of snow on it. Whew. Wow. We're also dealing with frozen pipes in the bathroom and the bedroom. It's quite the journey living out here. I got to get out today to get some more propane so we stay up on things. Anyway, just a little update. We're doing all right. A little less sleep than we care to have, but we'll keep working at it and keep pushing away. Things will happen. Looking to see how long this snow sticks around for. So, well, everybody be safe, stay warm, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.